How to turn off double-click to install on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your iPhone. Settings allow users to customize, control, and secure your devices. Once you're on the Settings page, scroll down and tap on Face ID and Passcode. You will be prompted to enter your passcode. Here, you'll see a list of features that use Face ID for authentication. Find the option labeled iTunes and App Store under the Use Face ID for section and tap the toggle to turn the switch off. This removes the requirement to double-click the side button for app installations. This way, you get more control over your experience with the device and how you use it. Following these steps, you can easily turn off double-click to install on an iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.